Our Indian Constitution has granted us many fundamental rights. These fundamental rights are available for every citizen of India, irrespective of the difference of their caste, religion, culture, language, or any other. One of these fundamental rights is freedom of speech. So let's start 10 lines on freedom of speech. Freedom of speech is equal for every citizen in India. Freedom of speech is a basic right of the human being as declared globally. Features of freedom of speech in the Indian Constitution are available for Indians only. Freedom of speech is also the freedom of expression. The freedom of speech in India is not absolute and the government can debar it in some special cases. The right to information is an important part of freedom of speech. Freedom of press is a part of freedom of speech, allowing Indian media to be neutral to the political parties. Freedom of speech is available in Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution. With the freedom of speech, every individual can play a role in forming an ideal government. Freedom of speech and expression, if used reasonably, become the power of the individual. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.